What am I trying to do?
Press the alphabet. Are you recording?
No, just looking.
Okay.
Yeah, just looking.
Okay, that Dr. Pepper's gone now.
Get another one.
What, you gotta get her and shake her up.
Okay.
Come on, I don't need to be shaked up.
Yeah, sit still. Alright, ready? Christy, you know you... Go. You know you can burp the phone.
Okay, it's going again.
Oh, that's funny.
Hang on. Oh my gosh.
I don't think you need no more.
Goodness.
Please don't drink no Dr. Pepper when you go see Chris, okay?
That's right.
Because I don't want you burping the alphabet over there.
Well, that was close. Almost came out of my nose.
No, you sound like a frog. Doing that ass out. That would embarrass me and Grandma so bad.
Never shake it.
Well,
Don't throw up sugar. Your face is so
You
red.
need to shake you up again?
I'm glad you ain't got on a red
Yeah, you do.
shirt. Oh, that red
you got B. You got A, B out.
You know this.
Oh my god. What was that?
Oh, you could have got C, D, and E out of that one.
What's wrong?
You need to do C, D, and E.
Go real quick.
I'll shake you up and dogs don't like this.
Oh, that's an E. That was an E.
That was an E.
That was an E.
Sounded like an A.
You
Hold on, let me shake you up this time.
skip Dee.
It might work. Hang on, let me get one. You get a low
She
one.
used to keep it going. She used to burp it and keep going. A, B, C, D, and I mean just keep it up.
Take a big gulp.
She goes.
God, let's be careful. She might blow up.
She'll be okay. Okay, just drink it.
She'll be burping in her sleep and so coming in.
Right, alright, no. Crystal couldn't come to school today because she blew up without burping.
I can't.
She couldn't come to school burping. She couldn't do no work.
That's some excuse. That is a science fair.
Okay.
That was a good one. Come here, come here.
And the hurry up, burp the same.
Okay.
Okay.
Go. C.
Every time you shake me up, what is it?
D. Hurry up.
Yay! You got the F. Come on, throw a G in there.
G. G.
She said every time Sarah shakes her up, she loses it.
Okay, yeah, buddy.
That was funny.
Keep that on.